So now we can move to the phase 2, starting with the finance and management. Let's start with finance and management because students want to know the sources and everything. So how, like coming from the engineering background, first of all, how are you able to cover the finance and management? Because they are quite new subjects, we can say, for a person that is from the engineering background.
Ma'am, finance and management happened to be my favorite subject. Basically, when I started for my RBI preparation, uh, it's historically also. If you look at toppers marks, FM is a most scoring area, and it has a very defined syllabus. Nothing is going to be asked outside that particular syllabus that RBI has defined in its notification. So for finance and management, we have a very defined syllabus. If I break it down to finance and management, so management has a very defined syllabus, and there are theories and there are application of theories. Then there are examples through which you could remember theories. For me, it was revision notes and mind maps of EduTab, basically, which I followed because I didn't have a lot of time to search on my own for other resources. I followed holistically. The revision notes of EduTab are very holistic in nature. Uh, Definitely, it is not important that you do a lot. You only do whatever is there in RBI syllabus, which is there defined and written specifically in RBI syllabus. You don't have to do a word more than that or less than that. For past couple of years, I think they are not focusing on asking the theory by directly, but rather they are focusing on application of a lot of management concepts that we study for RBI. Coming to finance part, ma'am, finance is again divided into static and current. And for current, there is a different set of preparation. For static, again, RBI has a defined syllabus. I think it's also very interesting. I think everybody should know about bonds, capital markets, and derivatives, and all those aspects. So it is the basic is that your basics have to be very clear, and you should know uh, if you, even if you have an ounce of a doubt or something, you should go to a teacher, or maybe you can visit any YouTube videos or Investopedia page to get it clarified, because that might be asked in the exam. And coming to finance current affairs, I think again make use of YouTube videos which are freely available. I was following finance in news for of EduTab as well as RBI website. I was not able to do a lot of from RBI website because didn't have a lot of time, but more reliant on finance in news, and also some other YouTube channels which I used to follow for finance current affairs. Used to make my own notes, didn't have to revisit the videos again. And while in before the phase 2 exam, I used to go through my own notes.